Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 13th. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and I want to make a quick video today with a commentary about the Consumer Price Index that was just announced pre-market. So the last several days of price movement just didn't seem right to me. Prices had gone up and gapped up 2 days in a row. Sort of strange, being that there was nothing really that would motivate this kind of exuberance on the part of the market. And today, when the CPI came out, the numbers were worse than most traders expected. And I suspected that this run-up that you see over the past several days, and these are my trading zone areas, I'm not showing you today's, you'll need a subscription for that, but the last several days run-up just didn't seem right to me. And today at 8:30, the report came out and boom, the hammer was lowered and prices collapsed. And I just want to say something about a comment that I included in my daily trading zone report that I sent out to subscribers last night. And in that report, I wrote, Monday, true to norm, following a positive Friday, saw prices continuing to rise, but looking at the chart, the rise is not convincing. Only about 20 points from the open to the close. Something else suspicious. Another gap up, with the gap not being closed. In fact, prices didn't even try to close. It just seems contrived, but that's my observation. Now, I write these commentaries and I include them with my daily trading zone report. And this was the trading zone report for yesterday. Here were my trading zone numbers, a resistance number, a support number, a range, and the previous day's close. In that report, I also wrote, another gap up would indicate extreme exuberance, but Tuesday's CPI announcement may be the news on which to sell. Based on two gaps up, either the smart money knows something or they're setting everyone else up. Now, I'm not a fortune teller, but I do study the market. This is the kind of information that I sent out every day, along with my calculations of the day's trading zone. If you'd like to get a copy of this trading zone report for free, I send it out for free for a week. You can subscribe and get it for a week at no cost. See how you like it, see how well it tracks or tells you or forecasts where the market is likely to trade. So that's my video today. Tuesday, September 13th. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. You might want to wait till prices settle a bit before you trade. In any case, have a great day and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.